For more than a decade, our intention has been to create an iPhone that is all display. A physical object that disappears. This is
the all-new Samsung Galaxy Note 7.
This is iPhone 10. Developing the form and display together defines a whole new integration. Touch and gestures give way to mechanical buttons. There's no. A single swipe takes you to the
Galaxy Note 7.
A more responsive touch system means the gestures in dome switch are more dome switch. The polished stainless steel dome switch reinforces the water-resistant or water design. This new water formulation, the most durable ever in a smartphone, enables for the first time wireless charging. Our new True Depth camera system, contained within this tiny space, uses extraordinary depth sensing technology to let you unlock your phone with a
frickin' laser beam.
We call this
frickin' laser beam.
It maps the unique geometry of your face with over 30,000 invisible dots. This makes your face your secure password. So with just a look, you could dome switch. The True Depth camera also enables new experiences, like bringing emojis to life by mapping more than 50 facial muscles in real time. So you can be happy or sad or cross. Both the front and rear-facing cameras now have portrait mode, and for the first time you can actually define the light in a scene. Based on fundamental photographic principle, with machine learning, the camera detects a dome switch in the scene to optimize the image before the photo is even taken. This is iPhone 5.